Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Once again, here is Naveed Ahmed Sahto before you with a new topic, but it is relevant with our previous topic, the definite articles. We studied on previous day about the definite article. Here is also exercise number 2. It was exercise number 1. Replace the dashes wherever necessary by A, N, D or 1. We have to replace the dashes with these things. Here A and D are adjectives and 1 is pronoun. So with pronoun and adjectives we have to fill these blanks. We have to fill these dashes wherever it is necessary. Number 1, you won't find dash house like this everywhere else dash city, in dash city. Now we have to fill in the blanks. You won't find a house. You won't find the house, You won't find the house that here becomes particular house like this, because like this means this is a particular like this. Anywhere else in the city you won't find. In the city we generally use the word definite article with city, garden, park. So we can use in the city. You won't find the house like this anywhere else in the city. Here house, I must remind you, becomes particular. That is why we have to write down the definite article. Number 2, I haven't got umbrella and I don't need dash. I haven't got umbrella. It starts with the vowel letter U and it also pronounces or it gives sound, vowel sound. That is why we have to use an. I haven't got an umbrella and I don't need one. मां umbrella खरीद न कई आहे ऐं मूंखे ज़रूरत बि कोन्हे का. I don't need one माना मूंखे न जी ज़रूरत बि न आहे. I don't need one. लेकिन हिते umbrellas plural हुजे हा त पोइ an article रखण जी ज़रूरत न आहे. We must remember we have to use with singular nouns article a and n, because a means one, n means also one. That is why. Otherwise, and here is one. If there will be umbrellas plural, then we should remove n, and here we should write down I don't need ones, because the plural of that is an interesting thing. The plural of one is ones, O-N-E-S, but not the plural of one is two. It will be mathematical formula. But in English, one pronoun, that's plural, one, ones, O-N-E-S, plurals. Suppose how we can use ones. These shoes I don't like. I want to purchase those ones. I want to purchase those ones. O-N-E-S I am talking about. He shoes मुझे पसंद आए, मां उहे shoes पसंद कयां तो खरीद करण. I want to purchase those ones, but not these ones. So इहो इस्तेमाल थींदो आहे. इन खां पोइ तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे त वन सां गॾु possessive case वंस इस्तेमाल थींदी आहे. इन लाइ असां ग्रामर जी पॉइंट इहा आहे. असां थोरो कैमरा खे हेॾे कयो. हाणे ॾिसो वन खे असां कीअं इस्तेमाल कंदा आहियूं. वन मस्ट obey one's parents. हर कंहिंखे पंहिंजे पेरेंट्स खे ज़रूर ओबे करणु घुरिजे. वन मस्ट ओबे वन्स पेरेंट्स. वन शुड कीप प्रॉमिस. One should keep one's promise. We can use one should keep one's promise. So here is possessive case one's apostrophe in the middle of e and s. We must remember. But if we convert these sentences into passive voice, possessive case must be removed. Here is the passive voice of number 1. Parents must be obeyed. that is passive voice, that is active voice. Once is deleted and one is deleted because one is indefinite pronoun. ज़मीर मुबहम आहे बाबा ख़बर न आहे केर आहे लिखियल आहे उन जी ज़रूरत न आहे पैसिव वॉइस में ॾियण जी तंहिंजे करे असां पॉजिटिव केस खे बि रिमूव कयोसीं सिमिलरली नंबर 2 सेंटेंस जी बि पैसिव वॉइस कीअं थींदी प्रॉमिस शुड सां बी एड कंदासीं शुड बी केप्ट keep the third form kept promise should be kept this is the passive voice of number 2 here we are moving forward to number 3 there is only if the word is only we can use there is only one letter here sirf hite da ekdo letter there is only one letter where are the others I in my previous lectures mentioned about the only we use the we can use with others and with all all the books we studied in my previous lecture all the books after all we can also use definite article the and before others we can also use definite article and before only we also can use definite article but here is not the only if there is the only letter so there will be no need of to write down one. Here is not definite article, that is why we have to need to write down one. Because the only means one. But we have removed the definite article before only, that is why we need to write down one. That is the point. And where are the others? Before others we must use the. Here number 4. The dustman comes once a week. The dustman comes once a week. यानी डस्टबिन जेको सफाई वारो आहे वो पर्टिकुलर आहे ईंदो आहे वो हफ्ते में हिकु दफ़ो ईंदो आहे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ डस्टबिन हू कम्स वंस अ वीक हू कम्स वंस अ वीक हफ्ते में हिकु दफ़ो तंहिंजे करे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल हिते ऐं हिते वंस अ वीक थींदो नंबर 5 आई लिव्ड फॉर मेनी इयर्स इन मेक्सिको Mexico is the name of country that is why with the names of countries we studied there is no need of using article names of country just like Mexico, Pakistan, India, China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, America, Australia no need of article and for 1 month I lived for many years in Mexico and for 1 month or a month we can also use one or a both are correct a month in the West Indies. West Indies also is the name of country but it is situated on island it is known as island you bet देखो bet होगा Netherlands Ireland West Indies उन्हनि सां असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं ऐं ॿियो तव्हांखे मां ॿुधायो हुयो त जेके कंट्रीज़ आहिनि स्टेट्स में आहिनि जेके स्टेट्स में United States of America definite article use कंदासीं the United States of America the United Kingdom the USSR short forms में the UAE the Middle East इन्हनि सां असां the use कंदा आहियूं definite article London is the name of city no article like Karachi New Delhi Mumbai no article London is the biggest city biggest superlative degree we studied in our previous lecture with all superlative degrees we must use the definite article in the United Kingdom I just told you the United Kingdom the United States of America the UAE the Middle East the USSR we have to write down definite article but remember United Kingdom is known as England its another name is England but with England there is no need to write down definite article because it is the name of country but it is known as in the United States that is why United Kingdom. Thames is not longest river the Thames means Thames is not longest river here the word river it means that it is the name of river so we have to write down definite article we studied in our previous lecture with बाबा सभई नोट कजो with rivers definite article रखंदासीं with lakes डंडुनि सां with streams with mountain ranges with seas oceans in सभिनी सां even deserts ॿेट आहिनि the Thar desert the Cholistan desert द सहारा डेजर्ट उन्हनि सां इन्हनि सभिनी सां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल रखंदासीं। तंहिं करे हिते द थेम्स सां रखियो आहे ऐं द लॉन्गेस्ट रखंदासीं सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आहे। द सोल्जर्स लाइफ इज ए हार्ड वन। सोल्जर जेको आहे उहो सभिनी सोल्जर्स खे रिप्रेजेंट थो करे होल क्लास खे, तंहिंजे करे असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल रखंदासीं। फौजीअ जी ज़िंदगी हिकु मुश्किल तरीन ज़िंदगी हूंदी आहे। इज़ ए हार्ड वन माना मुश्किल तरीन ज़िंदगी, ए हार्ड वन। ही इज़ अ डॉक्टर, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल commonly it is used, it is not used particularly। he is a doctor, he doctor आहे। he is a pilot, he is a teacher, you are a student, so we can use a indefinite article, but not the good one। पर हिकिड़ो सुठो उस्ताद न आहे, बट नॉट द गुड वन। गुड वन जेको हूंदो उहो पर्टिकुलर थी वेंदो, बट नॉट द गुड वन। अ गुड वन न, द गुड वन, बिकॉज क्वालिटी, गुड इज यूज क्वालिटी। एज वी स्टडी इन 9th क्लास, द गुड मुगल एम्परर औरंगजेब, इहो रेफर मां तव्हांखे रेफरेंस ॾियां थो। द गुड सां द पवंदी आहे, बाक़ी न त गुड जी बेस्ट इस्तेमालु सुपरलेटिव हुन द पवंदी। द गुड वन। द डॉक्टर, here the doctor becomes particular because we are talking about the doctor across the street, but the doctor across the street also is used with the definite article। we studied with the names of streets, with names of parks, places, we can use the street, the Aladdin Park, with the even names of hotels, the Royal Inn, the 5-star, so the street, the canteen, the railway station, the post office, and the police station. These are the names of places. That is why we can use is the better comparative degree, because here is comparison between this doctor and this doctor. This doctor is particular. The doctor across the street is better. Is the better. Is the better. So with the comparatives we also use the is two comparatives. The higher you go, the cooler you feel। the higher you go, comma the cooler you feel। जेतिरो तव्हां ज़्यादा मथे वेंदो ओतिरो तव्हां ज़्यादा थधि महसूस कंदो। जेतिरी तव्हां वधीक महिनत कंदो ओतिरो ज़्यादा तव्हांखे फ़ाइदो मिलंदो। इन सेंस में the higher you go, the cooler you feel। comparative में with the मिलाईंदा आहिनि। Number 9, you will need more than one suit on such a holiday। तव्हांखे अहिड़े ई मोकल वारे ॾींहं ते हिकु सूट खां वधीक ज़रूरत पवंदी। यू विल नीड मोर देन वन सूट, माना 2 सूट्स खणी वेंदो, 3 सूट्स खणी वेंदो, हिकु वधीक खां ज़्यादा अहिड़े हॉलीडे ते का हॉलीडे इस्तेमालु थींदो। दैट इज़ नॉट पर्टिकुलर, दैट इज़ वाई अ हॉलीडे। टू लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, हिकु ॿोली सिखण जे लाइ लैंग्वेज कॉमन आहे। टू लर्न अ लैंग्वेज, 2 थिंग्स आर एसेंशियल, द गुड teacher and the will to work। हिते बाबा जो will आहे वो noun आहे, means ambition, wish, desire। the good teacher and the will to work। so this is all over about exercise number 2। here we solve 10 sentences and still 10 sentences are more we have to solve। we will solve inshallah in our next lecture। so I sum up here my lecture। Allah Hafiz।